Tired of AI-generated characters constantly changing? One moment, they have short hair, the next it's long. Sometimes their entire face looks different, completely ruining the look. Frustrating, right? Well, not anymore. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create AI characters that stay perfectly consistent across multiple images. Same face, same outfit, same personality. No more random changes. And the best part? It's completely free. Take a look at these examples. No matter the background or pose, the character remains identical in every image. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this yourself. Perfect for animations, storytelling, YouTube shorts, other social media content, or any creative project. Step 1. Create a strong character profile. The first and most crucial step is creating a detailed character profile. If you skip this, your character won't stay consistent. Before generating any images, we need to define our character in detail. Open ChatGPT and type this exactly. Give me a detailed prompt for generating an AI image of a realistic character named Sophia with a standard pose. Being specific with ChatGPT gives you the best results. You want to provide enough details so the AI has a clear direction, but not too many that it becomes overwhelming. A vague prompt leads to inconsistent results. Now let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT generates. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT considers every detail: facial features, clothing, personality traits, even small physical mannerisms. This step ensures your character isn't just a one-time creation, but a recognizable figure across multiple images. Step 2. Generate your character. Once you've got the prompt, it's time to create the character. Copy the entire prompt. Go to Google Image Effects, link in the description. If the website shows that isn't available in your country, please use VPN. It will work. Paste the prompt exactly into the text box. Add style presets like realistic, dramatic, natural, light, street photography illustrations. These extra specifications ensure your character looks professional and stays consistent across multiple images. Without them, the AI might generate something too generic or inconsistent. Now hit create, and there it is. Sophia is generated. But we're not done yet. Step 3. Lock the seed number, the secret to consistency. To make sure Sophia stays the same in every future image, there's one more critical step. Look closely at the interface. See this little lock button? Click it. What does this do? It locks the seed number, ensuring every future image keeps the exact same facial features. Without this, even if the description stays the same, the next image might look completely different. Let's test it. With the seed number locked, I'll generate another image of Sophia, and there it is. Same face, same features, nothing changes. This small step is what most people miss, and it's why so many struggle with AI character consistency. But now that you know how to do it, you'll never have that problem again. Step 4. Placing your character in different scenes. Now let's see how well this method works when we place Sophia in different settings. First, I'll ask ChatGPT for a scene description. Describe a scene where Sophia is sitting in a coffee shop. I'll copy this description and add it to our base Sophia prompt, but without changing the original character details. Now let's hit create, and look at that. It's still Sophia, same face, same features, just in a different setting. Let's try one more. Describe a scene where Sophia is standing by her car outside her house. Again, I'll add this scene description to our base Sophia prompt while keeping the seed number locked. Hit create, and there it is. Sophia looks exactly the same, just in a new environment. The AI has perfectly maintained her identity. Step 5. Creating a full story with a consistent character. Now that we have a consistent character, let's put her into a full story. Ask ChatGPT. Create a short story about Sophia, a young dancer discovering her true passion. ChatGPT will generate a story, but we need to break it down into key moments. Ask ChatGPT. Identify the key scenes in this story that would make great illustrations. Take the first scene description and combine it with our base Sophia prompt. Paste it into Google Image FX and hit create. Boom. Sophia appears exactly the same, but now inside the story. Let's try another scene. And once again, perfect consistency. Recap. Key steps to AI character consistency. To make sure your AI characters stay consistent across multiple images, follow these steps. Create a detailed character profile in ChatGPT. This is your foundation. Lock the seed number in Google Image FX. This is the secret to keeping features identical. Keep the base description unchanged. Only add scene details. Never modify the core character. Use structured storytelling. This unlocks limitless creative potential for comics, animations, and more. Here's a look at all the images we generated today, from the first character creation to different actions and full story scenes. As you can see, Sophia remains exactly the same in every image, proving this method works perfectly. The key to success is patience and attention to detail. Don't rush the character profile stage. It's the foundation for everything else. Now it's your turn. Try this method yourself and let me know in the comments. I'd love to see the characters you create. If you found this tutorial useful, hit like. It really helps more people discover this technique. And if you want more AI tutorials like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.